Assalamualaikum, my name is SYAWAL bin YAZID. I am from 21C with metric number 201222397. My friend and I will explain the manufacturing product of spoon and fork. First, let's talk about what is manufacturing technology. Manufacturing is the process of transforming raw materials or parts into a finished product via a use of tools, human labor, machinery, and chemical processes. Manufacturing allows the business to sell finished items for more than the cost of the raw materials used in their production, while technology refers to all techniques, skill, method, and the process used in the production of products or service, as well as the accomplishment of goals such as scientific study. So, what is the objective of this project? This project was designed to teach students how some products are made from raw material to final product. This also gives us a student a peek of what manufacturing industry work in real life. Since a degree in manufacturing technology engineering will prepare us to work in a variety of sectors, whether it's aerospace, biomedical, or chemical engineering production. All goods that are made benefit from the expertise of the specialists in this field. This feature on extensive range of employees to choose from, ranging from classic manufacturing facility to tech-focused startup. The next point is the objective manufacturing process. First, one of the most important aims of the manufacturing industry is to provide a high-quality product. Second, the manufacturing process is to boost the efficiency while lowering costs. Third, the manufacturing process is for companies to be able to get raw materials from a reliable and a cost-efficient source. And last, the manufacturing process principle purpose is to produce as many goods as possible at the lowest possible cost. For company, we choose Noritake Co. Limited. Noritake is pioneer assembly line technique in the early 2090s, allowing for mass manufacturing of high quality yet cheap tableware. Noritake has become a global brand because of its superior creativity and workmanship, meticulous attention to detail, and unwavering devotion to quality throughout the last century. Noritake has been delivering beauty and quality to dining table all around the world since 1994. The oldest table plate were almost entirely hand-painted with a lot of gold. Noritake proceeded to improve its manufacturing skill and expand into a new market across the world in the decade that followed. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is ASHRAF bin AINI. I am from class 21C and my metric number is 2012200492. I will continue on chapter 2, which is facilities description. We will move to the overview. The manufacturing facilities is the facilities needed by a business to build their product. There are two types of manufacturing facilities, which is heavy and light facilities. For Noritake company who produce light industrial facilities like spoon and fork, to produce spoon and fork, Noritake need a complete facilities to ensure the manufacturing process runs smoothly without any problems. To run a good spoon and fork manufacturing process, Noritake need a strategic facilities location because it's important whether the location is proximity to customer, supplier, and labors. There is also facilities layout which aim to ensure the manufacturing process will work efficiently and effectively. Noritake can use U-shape or L-shape layout for their production line. This will allow product and workers to move more quickly from one area to another. It also will determine how equipment, machinery, and labors will be arranged in making the manufacturing process as efficient as possible. Next, we will move to manufacturing processes. Manufacturing processes are referred to the process of converting raw material into a finished product. There are two basic types of manufacturing processes, which is processing operation and assembly operation. Processing operation is a process of transfer a work material into something that more advanced. The final shape will be different from the starting material, while the other one, assembly operation, while we can combine a component to create a new product. Both manufacturing processes can be used in the production of our company's spoon and fork, according to the suitability in terms of material and equipment that uses. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad AMZAR RODZAIN from Group 21C, metric number 2012205997. Today I want to talk about brief on equipment and brief on material in making of spoon and fork. There are various essential equipment that must be applied in the production of spoon and fork. Shearing machine, melting furnace, mold, gear grinder and polishing machine are among the instruments used to make spoon and fork. First, the shearing machine is used to cut the stainless steel sheet into the small pieces so that it may be used in the following paste more easily. Second, melting furnace will be used to warm solid material until they liquefy. This equipment is capable of creating and maintaining the required temperature for a homogeneous molten mixture over a length period of time. The third equipment is the mold. The shape of the material produced is determined by the mold. After the steel liquid freeze, it takes on the shape of fork and spoon. Next, when making high precision gears, the gear grinder is typically used as the final machining step. The major purpose of this machine is to remove the last few inches of the material from the spoon and fork so that they appear flawless and tidy. To guarantee that the spoon and fork have color and shine, polishing machine is used. Buffing machine, also known as polishing machine, are used to polish soft metal such as copper, brass and steel. Next, materials are the most important component in the production of a product. Items cannot be made without them. Producing spoons and forks necessitate the use of materials, the most common of which being stainless steel. Austenitic stainless steel, martensitic stainless steel, and ferric stainless steel are the three varieties of stainless steel. Spoon and fork utilize stainless steel because it has excellent features such as heat resistant, water resistant, corrosion resistant, is lighter than other steel, and has a longer life cycle. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi to my lecturer and friends. My name is PRIYA LECHUMANAN. My matrix number is 2012-2678. I'm from group 21C. Today I would like to present about the manufacturing process of the product spoon and fork. Manufacturing process is the procedure that transforming raw material into a usable goods. Creating engineering is a dynamic discipline distinguished by constant progress in classic methodologies. Not all the manufacturing process can manufacture a product with the same simplicity, quality, and cost effectiveness. Manufacturing using lasers may provide exceptional gains in certain circumstances while being a complete disaster in others. Primary manufacturing process include casting, forging, rolling, extrusion, and so on, while secondary manufacturing process include machining and forming. There is 11 steps in manufacturing process for the product spoon and fork, which is raw material, blanking, rolling, analoging, cutting the outline, forming the pattern, special steps, silver plating, buffing and sand polishing, quality control, and the last steps is final steps. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Ikmal bin Aznai and I will continue the presentation about the recommendation on manufacturing processes, equipment and materials. For manufacturing processes, I suggest to using plastic manufacturing process. This is because it is one of the most popular methods and has been widely used by companies nowadays. There are 5 steps that need to be implemented in carrying out the plastic manufacturing process, including raw material extraction, setting and preparation of mold and printers, main technical processing, cooling and removal of plastic, and the last steps is finishing and testing of parts. Next, for equipment, I recommend to using plastic injection molding machine. This is because this machine is very easy to use, secure, and environment-friendly improvements. Besides that, this machine is being able to design strong technical of plastic products, capable of producing in large quantity, high quality, well-known brands, and also known as the world famous technology. In addition, they also have 3 types of plastic injection molding machines such as hydraulic, electric and hybrid. Okay, finally, for materials, I suggest to using 2 types of materials, which is plastic utensils and wood cutlery. Plastic utensils are typically made out of 2 types of plastic such as polypropylene and polystyrene. In other words, it has excellent resistance to salt, water, acid, temperature and chemical stability. Plastic utensils also are very important for various types of businesses because they are one of the most economical options and can ensure safe and clean use for the community. Okay, in addition, wood cutlery is made from a variety of tree trunks of plants such as birch and bamboo. Wood cutlery is one of the best options and has its own advantages. Besides that, it can also be composted and will not be easily destroyed if the correct composting methods are adopted. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi to my lecturer and my fellow friends. My name is SHAMALLA MUNIANDY and I'm from the group of push rank. My metric number is 2012-2685. Today I'm going to share about my experience and achievements which I felt in the journey of group assignment. I learned the importance of listening skills when I become one of the group members to study the manufacturing process of Noritex dining tools. In this group assignment, my parts are conclusion, executive summary, references and appendix. To finish my executive summary, I collect the main ideas from my group mates who finished the other parts of the assignment. I give some recommendations about the material and equipment selection of the Noritex company in the conclusion part. I gather some online links which refer by my group mates to finish their parts to finish my references part. And lastly, I input some pictures about the Noritex dining tools and the company, such as Noritex spoons and Noritex Thor and the Noritex output in Japan and others. And thank you so much.